Hi, boys and girls. I miss you so much. I hope you got to watch my math video from yesterday. If you didn't watch my math video from yesterday, have mom or dad go back to Class Dojo and find the math video from yesterday about rolling and stacking. It was lesson 10.1. Today, we have a new math lesson. So I need you to go ahead and get your math workbooks that we used yesterday, your green math workbook, and you need to go get a pencil and an eraser. If you need to pause the video, you can. When you're ready, go ahead and click play. Okay, if you clicked play, you should be ready to go. All right, let's remember that we are learning about 3D shapes, right? This chapter is all about 3D shapes. The shapes that we are going to be learning about are a sphere, a cube, a cylinder, and a cone. We're going to learn about one shape a day, okay? Okay. Ooh, we have a good question. This question is from my little friend, the light bulb. Say hi, light bulb. Hi, light bulb. He's asking, what does 3D mean? That is a good question. What's 3D mean? 3D means three-dimensional. Can you say three-dimensional? That means you can measure the shape 3 different ways. The first way to measure a shape is how tall it is. When you measure how tall a shape is, you measure from the bottom up. If you wanted to measure how tall you were, you would stand against the wall. We did this one day in class. And you would put a ruler, or I used a yardstick, at the bottom of the floor up, and I would measure how tall you were. But remember, there's 3 ways to measure a 3D shape. The second way is how long it is. How long it is means from the bottom across, side to side, how long it is. The third way to measure a 3D shape is how wide it is. If you wanted to measure how wide something is, you would measure from the front to the back, how wide it is. Did you know that you can pick up a 3D shape? You can pick up most 3D shapes. Some 3D shapes are too heavy, so you can't pick them up. But 3D shapes are real life. They're in real life. Let me give you an example. I have a piece of paper here, and I'm going to draw a 2D circle. Okay, I drew my 2D circle, you see? Is this circle real life? No. Can I try to pick up the circle? I'm going to try. I'm going to try to pick up the circle off the paper. And you know what? I'm going to make Miss Paulina a little bit bigger so you can see easier. Okay. Hopefully it's a little bit bigger. Let me see if I can make it even bigger. Okay. Here I am. Let's see if I can pick it up. Did I get it? Well, let me try again. Did I get it? No, because it's 2D. It's not real life. 3D shapes are solid. Can you say solid? Solid means real life. So here's an example. This is solid. I can knock on it. It's hard. It's solid. It's real, right? This is a 3D shape. This is 3D. It's solid, right? It's solid. I can knock on it. It's real. I can pick it up. This is solid. It's 3D. It's real. So 3D shapes are real life shapes that you can pick up and hold because they are solid. And that's a lot. That's a lot to remember. I know. We're going to go over it some more. But solid, all you need to know is solid means real life. You can touch it. You can pick it up, hold it, knock on it. It's real. You can't pick this up. You can't take the circle off and touch it, right? It's not real. It's not solid. Okay. We are going to sing along to a 3D shape song. Yay! Okay, let's watch it. Here we go.
Can't you see? You look like a dice. Roll with me. Cone. Can't you see? You look like a party hat. Dance with me. Cube. Dice. Cone. Party hat. Shapes. 3D shapes. I know cube, cone, sphere, and cylinder. Cube, cone, sphere, and cylinder. Shapes. 3D shapes. I know cube, cone, sphere, and cylinder. Cube, cone, sphere, and cylinder. Sphere. Can't you see? You look like a ball. Bounce with me. Cylinder. Can't you see? You look like a soda can. Shake with me. Sphere. Ball. Cylinder. Soda can. Shapes. 3D shapes. I know cube, cone, sphere, and cylinder. Cube, cone, sphere, and cylinder. Shapes. 3D shapes. I know cube, cone, sphere, and cylinder. Cube, cone, sphere, and
Okay. Oh, I didn't need to X out of there. Okay. Oh, I hope you liked that song. It was so cute. And it's a good way to practice our shapes. Those were all the shapes. But today we're only going to learn about one of those shapes. And the first shape we're going to learn about is a sphere. Can you say sphere? Starts with an S. Uh-oh, but this doesn't look like an F, right? Sphere. The P and the H make it sound like an F. Sphere. A sphere kind of looks like a circle, right? But a sphere is 3D. Remember, is a circle real life? No, but a sphere is solid. Okay, let's go ahead and see what a sphere looks like. And let's find out how we can describe it. So the first thing I see is a sphere is three-dimensional. You know, three-dimensional means that you can measure it three ways. How tall it is, how long it is, and how wide it is. A sphere is curved. A sphere is curved like a circle. Curved means like that, like a rainbow, okay? We also know that a sphere is round. It goes around. If you took your finger and you drew a circle, that also goes around, right? So does a sphere. A sphere is round. I can't go around it. A sphere is round and curved. Now, I want you to look on the side. Look on the side over here. Is this side flat or curved? It's curved. What about over here? Is this side flat or curved on the bottom? It's curved. What about this side over here? Is this side flat or curved? It's curved. What about the top? Is this side flat or curved? It's curved. So it has 0 flat surfaces, no flat sides. Okay. Let's look at some examples of a sphere. I'm going to move out of the way. I'm going to close it to make it a little bit smaller. And the first shape that we're going to look at is this ball. This ball is 3D. It's three-dimensional and it's solid. It's real life. Are balls in real life? Yeah. Let me spin it. I'm going to spin the ball. So I'm spinning it right now. Do you see that it's curved, it's round, and it has 0 flat sides? The next shape that's a sphere is a golf ball. A golf ball is a ball you play golf with. Is that real life? Are golf balls real life? Yeah, so they must be 3D and they must be solid. I'm turning it around. I see it is round and curved with no flat surfaces. Okay, last thing, last 3D shape, last real life shape that's solid is a balloon we're going to look at. A balloon is also 3D. It's round, it's curved, so it must be a sphere. These are all spheres because they're round and they're curved. Okay, going back into big mode. I'm going to move myself over here. We're going to play a game. And it says, let's play. Which objects are a sphere? So these are real life objects. They're solid, they're real life, and they're three-dimensional. Okay? The first object is an earth. The next object is an ice cream cone. This object is an orange. And this object is a beach ball. I want you to find the shapes that are a sphere. Remember, a sphere is round and curved. Okay. Did you find them? Let's look at the first one. An earth. Is an earth a sphere? Yes. Very good. Which is the next one? Which is the next sphere? Is it a cone? No, because a cone is flat. It's not curved. It doesn't have any round sides like a ball. This one kind of looks like a ball. This one does not. What about an orange? Does an orange look like a sphere? Yes, it is because it's curved and round and it looks like a ball. What about the beach ball? Yeah, that one was easy. But the cone, let's take a look at the cone. The cone was not because it was pointy and had flat sides, so it didn't work. Okay, next what you need to do is, I need you to find a sphere. It says, can you find a sphere? All right, you can get up and you can walk around your house. Go see if you can find something that's a sphere. Remember, it looks like a ball. Okay, you're gonna go do it, I'm gonna go do it, and we're coming back. Okay, I'm back. All right, I hope you found something. If you couldn't find anything, that's okay. You can go on a hunt after this. All I could find was a pillow. My pillow's like a sphere because it's round and curved, right? No flat surfaces. Round and curved. And it's three-dimensional, right? It's solid. I can touch it. I can pick it up. I can measure how tall it is, how long it is, and how wide it is. That makes it 3D. Okay, what I would like you to do is, if you did find a sphere, I want you to take a picture with your sphere like this, and you're gonna put it on your student portfolio on Class Dojo so I can see it. Okay, whatever you found, take a picture and put it on Class Dojo. Okay, we are going to move into our workbooks. So you could take your picture after, or you can pause the video, whichever you need to do. And I'm sorry, I'm taking a little bit longer than usual because it closed out. Okay, go ahead and get your workbook ready, and you can open up to your Post-it. Your Post-it should be on this page here, the blue page, and I'm going to pull it up on the computer. And it looks just like this. Okay, this lesson is
Identify. Name and describe spheres. Essential question. How can you identify, name, and describe spheres?
Okay, the first thing I'm going to do, it says, place a 3D shape on the page. Identify and name the sphere. Sort the spheres on the sorting map. Describe the sphere, and that's what we're going to do. Okay, so I want you to look. Here is our big map. This is what you should see with the blue square around it. This side says
Sphere.
sphere. So we're going to place shapes that look like spheres over here. So to draw, or I want you to underline the word sphere. We're looking for spheres. This side over here says
Not a sphere.
not a sphere. So go ahead and take your pencil and put an X. Over here, these are the ones that don't work. Okay, now I know you don't have shapes at home, or maybe you do, but I'm going to do it on here so you can watch me, okay? I'm reaching into my shape bag and I'm closing my eyes. I'm not even peeking. Okay, this is the shape I got. Do you see it? Is this a sphere? No, it doesn't look like a ball, right? This is actually a cone. So we're going to try our best to draw this over here. This is not a sphere. This is a cone. Okay, next shape. Is this a sphere? Does it look like a ball? No, this is a cylinder. So we're going to put it on the side that says not a sphere. To draw a cylinder, you make a squished circle and 3 lines on the bottom. 1 down one across and one up. Next shape is this. Is this a sphere? Yeah, right? It's a ball. Go ahead and put that on the side that says sphere. To draw a sphere, we're going to draw a circle, and you're going to draw a little curve in there. All right, one more. Is this a sphere? No, this looks like a box or a square, right? This is actually a cube. So we're going to put it on the side that says not a sphere. Go ahead and draw a cube. You can do that by drawing a square. And if you want to make it look 3D, you can draw a square starting from the middle of that one, just like yesterday, and connect the vertices or the corners. This is tricky, I know. Drawing 3D shapes is hard, but we have to do our best, right? Okay, I need to erase my shapes. You're going to keep yours on there. Actually, let me try. I'm going to try to flip to the next page and see if it disappears. Nope, it didn't. Okay, I got to erase mine because that's what happens. Okay, so go ahead and take your Post-it, flip to the next page. It should look like this with the big red ball on it. Okay, so I would like you to find red apple number 1. Red apple number 1. It says
sphere,
sphere.
flat surface,
Is it a flat surface or is it a?
curved surface,
Let's take a good look. I want you to take a good look at yours. Look down at your paper. Is it flat or curved? It's curved, right? We talked about that earlier today. Curved means it goes around in a circle. Okay, so we're going to circle the word that says curved because it's not a flat surface. It's curved. Okay, next you can take your pencil, or if you have a crayon, sorry, I should have looked at this. If you have a crayon, you could go get a crayon, but if you want to use your pencil, you can too. I'm going to use my little colored pointer because that's all I have. And it says on yellow sun number 2, find yellow sun number 2. Color the spheres. Now you're only coloring the spheres. Don't color anything else. So let's look at this first shape. Is this a sphere? No, we don't need to color it. What about this shape here? Is this a sphere? Yeah, it is, right? It's round, it's curved, and it has no flat surfaces, so I'm going to color this one. Okay, I know my coloring's not that good, but it's a little bit hard because I'm coloring on the computer. Okay. What about this here? Is this a sphere? No, it has a flat side. Is this a sphere? No, remember, sphere looks like a ball. Is this a sphere? Yeah, it's curved and it's round and it has no flat sides. Color it in. And I hope your coloring looks a little bit better than mine. What about this shape? Is this one a sphere? Is this a sphere? Nope. Is this one a sphere? Nope. Good job. That was almost too easy. All right, I gotta erase. You keep yours. Keep yours filled in. I have to erase it, otherwise it messes up on the next page. Okay, if you're using a Post-it, take your Post-it. We're gonna move it to the next page. If you don't have a Post-it, you can use a bookmark. And if you don't have a bookmark, you can take a plain piece of paper and stick it in your spot, and it'll keep the spot. All right, on this page, I would like you to find green leaf number 3. Put your finger on green leaf number 3. It's up here. Are you looking at your journal? Okay. Identify, that means find, the objects that are shaped like a sphere. Put a big X marks the spot on it. Remember, like a pirate, I want you to find the spheres and put an X that marks the spot. All right, so we're looking in the shelf. I want you to look on the top shelf here. Let's look at this pink shape. This is a balloon. Is this balloon a sphere? Is it round and curved? Yes, and X marks the spot. X marks the spot. What about this shape here? It looks like a can or something. Is that a sphere? Does it look like a circle? No, because it has flat sides right here, right? On the top, on the bottom. And we know a sphere is round. What about this little block? No, that's a cube. Let's go down to the second shelf. Look at this toy jar. Is this a sphere? No. What about this? This looks like maybe a megaphone that you yell through, like a cheerleader. Is that a sphere? No. What about this over here, the globe of Earth? Is that a sphere? Yes, right? It's curved and it's round and it has no flat surfaces. Bottom shelf, let's go ahead and look at the present. Is that present a sphere? No. What about the baseball? Yeah, it's curved and it's round. X marks the spot. Last shape, I want you to look at the book. Is that a sphere? No, it has flat surfaces. And we know a sphere has no flat surfaces because it's curved and round. All right, you keep your work. I have to erase mine. Last page you're going to do together is this page. Say, hi, mouse. Hi, mouse. Touch the mouse's ear so I make sure you got there. Take your finger, blow on it, put it on the blue flower number 4. And it's a mystery shape, so you have to guess which shape it is. It says, I have a curved surface. Which shape am I? Well, we see the first shape is over here and the second shape's over here. And the hint was, I have a curved surface. Which one has a curve? Go ahead and put a big X on that shape. This one here. Good job. All right, step number 5 is to draw what you know about a sphere. So we know a sphere is round and curved, right? So let's go ahead and draw it. And we also know, I hope yours looks better than mine. And we also know that it's a 3D shape. So we're gonna draw this little line here to make it look like it's real life and solid, right? Solid is that special word. All right. Okay, that's it for this lesson, boys and girls. Please flip to the next page. And it should be pink like this. Go ahead and put your Post-it or your bookmark so that you're ready for tomorrow. If you want to do the gray page, you can, but it's up to you. I just needed you to do the pages with me today. The gray page is if you want to do it, you can do it. And then you can take pictures. Don't forget, I want you to take a picture. Hold on, let me go get mine. Take a picture with the shape that you found at your house that looks like a sphere. So this is what I found. So I would take a picture on my phone like this, and I would put it on Class Dojo on my student portfolio. If you don't know how to get there, have mom and dad check the messages because I sent them a link to get there. Okay, I hope I get to see your face. I miss you so much. Bye-bye.